Morning folks, today I'm at Dean Pryor point-to-point racetrack in Buckfastleigh. So we're a bit different. Look at this folks, this grandstand is huge. They only used it for 10 years, 1950 to 1960. Before that it was pop-up stands. They only ran about 5 times a year. It's all gone to rack and ruin. It's a shame really, isn't it? Look at the state of it now. It was all wooden seating in there and all the kids used to get in underneath to pick up all the coins and that. The signboard ended up with Newton Abbot and all the wooden seating went on to Exeter. In 1949, Princess Margaret come down here and 25,000 people turned up. All this grandstand, old grandstand wasn't there then, it was just empty field. It's amazing. Look at this folks, that's the announcer's box. It's 3 rooms. Still got the glass in it there. They stopped people going up it now because the owners thought it was getting too dangerous, so they pulled it down to stop people from going up there. Look at this folks, a couple of crow's nests, look. The crows have made this old grandstand their home. That's wonderful. The tenants of this had a gentleman's agreement that they could buy it. And it never really worked out, so they sold it to a company who thought it would be a little gold mine, and that never really worked out. They've still got working toilets here because they still have the races in that here. Just give me a minute folks. It's not the end of it all folks. They've still got the steeplechase racetrack here. They have races here still about 4 or 5 times a year. Thanks for watching folks. Take care, stay safe.